Hey Shawn, great to see you. I cannot wait to join you in person when we hit the road here. We are headed to New Jersey and to Boston, and the week following we're going out west to San Diego and San Francisco doing these in-person seminars in January, and I am super excited about it. I know from my perspective it seems like the pace of our industry, the breakthroughs and the science and some of these amazing new therapies has really just totally picked up, and I understand that's one of the things you're going to be talking about.
Hey Justin, great to catch up and see you, my friend. I got to tell you, we're really excited about this, and you're right. I mean, it is picking up, and Amy and Amy's going to be presenting with me, and we're really excited to be part of this Game is Changing seminar series because that game is changing. Going to these traveling seminar sessions really gives us a chance to spend time with our clients, find out what their challenges are, and we learn as much from this, I think, as they do from us. As you know, right, time is money. So how do we speed our development? We're going to work with our clients in this seminar series to go through every phase of clinical development, making sure they understand what some of the rate limiters are, and we're going to do everything we can to kind of put them in a really good position to be successful. We're also going to highlight some detours or some challenges that our clients have seen. We want to make sure nobody repeats those. So we'll have some case studies that we'll run through. Again, to make sure that everyone knows different things to be aware of during that development phase. Additionally, we're going to talk about the impact of also regulatory pathway based on your particular product and what implications that may have. Finally, we're also going to spend some time talking about your partnerships. If you're looking for a CDMO, we're going to outline really what you need to be thinking about and everything you need to know as you're picking out your CDMO partner. Everything from selecting the CDMO, visiting, what questions you need to ask. These are all really important to make sure you set up your product for success, and we're excited to share these best practices.
Yeah, that's really a rich area of conversation, so I am super excited. For those who are going to join us, you can register in so many ways. You can register online at PCI.com. You can click through on LinkedIn and register that way, or you can simply scan the QR code at the end of this video. Shawn, I will see you there.
Looking forward, Justin. I'll see you soon.